Hello and welcome to Old Testament Survey. I'm your instructor, Dr. Anna Segas. So I want to walk you through a couple of things that will help you get started with all of this. Number one, well, actually, let's do this number one. Number one, I want you to do your enrollment verification activity. You have to do that so they don't drop you out of the class. So do that and then come on over here to the syllabus. That'll be your second thing. On here, you can see all sorts of different things. The course description, you can see the different objectives, the things that you'll learn during this course. You can see the textbooks that you'll require. Now, if you got the Bulldog bundle, then I think it's available to online students, then all of these will already be available to you on Blackboard. But if you didn't, then you'll want to get your hands on those. They are, I don't have them present, but when the Big Red Bible is the one that we use, and you can use the 4th or the 5th edition. Actually, probably the 5th will be better for you. And then you'll do some readings from reading the Old Testament, An Introduction to the Hebrew Bible by Barry Banstra. That one's really expensive. So hopefully you did the Bulldog bundle, but you'll take quizzes on that. So you'll need to get your hands on it. Other things for this course, we've got a couple of different readings that you can do, that you must do. So I'll list all of the readings that you're supposed to do for the course, and you'll take quizzes on that. So you can see B says quizzes. You'll take quizzes on the reading, and then you'll take examinations based on the lecture material. And then finally, you'll turn in a paper. But you'll work on the paper throughout the semester, so you don't need to necessarily be worried because it's about a 7-page paper. So, but you don't need to be worried that you're going to have to write it all at once. In fact, I break it down for you and I help you in the research process. So the paper shouldn't be that bad. Other things that you have to do, participate in class. I want you to pay some special attention to the grading scale here, just so that you know how much each thing that you're completing is worth. So for example, if you miss a journal, it's not the end of the world, but if you miss taking an exam, then that's not going to be great. Also, look at your analysis paper. It's worth a big old chunk. Then this is well, I guess this is the grading scale, and this is like the grading weight. All of this stuff you can read yourself. I'm going to go back to our course, and I want to show you, you've got all of my information here. I want to show you this folder, course content and assignments. And what you'll see is you already have week 1 loaded for you. And so that is, I guess it is. That is May 24 through 28. That's quick. That's quick. You guys have some work to do. So you'll hop in here and you'll just do this really quickly. I just want to know who you are. I want to see a picture of you, so on and so forth. Then I want you to complete the reading. And then I want you to take the quiz that goes along with the reading. And then you can see all of these beautiful videos that excuse me. Oh, sorry. All of these beautiful videos that I've created for you. I want you to do those, and then I want you to complete the assignment that goes along with them. You've got a couple of discussion boards, things like that. And then you'll come down here and you'll complete your first journal. So for your journal, what you're going to do is you're going to select a passage of scripture. It could be any of these, or you can email me with a different one that you might want. But you need to like it because you are going to be studying that passage of scripture all semester. So make sure that you're into it. Then I want you to lock in really hard and read each one of these instructions very carefully, and then read them again. And then I want you to click on Journal 1 and complete your journal there. And you can either hit Write Submission, or you can browse local files and upload your journal. The journal should take you in between a half an hour and 45 minutes. If it takes you less time than a half an hour, you probably haven't been thorough enough. But if it takes you more time than 45 minutes, you're probably going overboard. So just read through the instructions. Don't make it harder than it is, and I will give you feedback. This is what's going to help you get to know your passage of scripture so you can write your paper by the end of all of this. So please, please, please pay careful attention to your journals and get those submitted on time. That is key to your success in this course. I have never had a student pass my class who did not do the journals. Because that paper that the journals will help you write is weighted so heavily. So that's what I need you to do for this very first week. Get on here, do your let's get to know each other stuff so that we can get to know you a little bit better. Look at the syllabus and get yourself some books and then start working through all of this stuff that I have laid out for you.